Welcome back my people. So right now we are going and we have the Porcher. So what really happened? We have some existing tile on it. So we're going to join back, catch back them tile. We want to maintain a flatness back on this. But the problem we have now is these tile we are using now some 24 by 48. You know, a bigger tile compared to some like 18 by 18. The floor bad. If right on the middle is high. So kind of difficult to maintain all of that. So try to scale it out and see how best we can work. You know we are Tyler, so we know what to do and how to get it, but I don't want to use the job still. Kind of difficult. I'm going to show you how to put it enough. So you know that compared to this now we are going to use a 24 by 48. Very different. Different in another one. So yeah, kind of difficult to maintain that with a big tile line, but you know, see how best it can work out. This is how the floor situated. Yeah, so as I say, we are trying to scale it out and see how best we can work it out. So, we're on the final little touch for in the evening. Yeah. So, yeah. Just make it one time already. Yeah, so this is the. Yeah, so this is how the tile join up. Yeah, so come join on the existing floor. So yeah, this is around so from that apartment floor same. Yeah, so the pan target. So this is the last tile for the evening. But you have to set this up. Yeah, as I said, the last tile is a drop. Yeah, so you know, it's a night tile list. Almost the final one. rain a fall in the evening, yeah. As you can see. Yeah. So we have some rain. Evening rain. Sorry, my people die upon in the morning, yeah. Yeah. Try sort out them Tyler. So I try finish up the porch in the morning, yeah. Yeah. Punce do on the crew. Yeah, you know, there. Yeah, I'm gonna match up the thing in the morning, yeah.
Yes, so this side but that means I have to go mark out there.
Yeah, so we're gonna start the banner roll in the morning.
Alright, this is Punce again back on the scene. Alright, like, share and subscribe, alright? Bless and respect, good morning to all. Yeah man, say shot here drop in the next piece of time there. So I deal with it proper. You see it? Alright, so we come for deal with things. I don't want hotel where they sort out every little thing. Deal with the renovation. So as I say, just like, share and subscribe, my brother and sister. Like the video, hit a thumbs up and everything, you know. You know we get you with him already, man, because the number already there. So anytime you want to tile in to do, you can shout him still. You see? I'm on a good tiler. I have next to brother over the sunny and chai. You see? Good youths. As I say, we have to do your properly for you to see. Alright. Cut.
Alright, my people, so with the funny. We have Mr. Cutting out and Tyler here. So we'll take time to go on. So we can cover up that little area. Yeah, you know, say a brick lane. So we have to just take the time the way I do. You know, we have some old tile on the porch and we have to follow the same way. So you know, that make it more difficult. So as I say, we have to do what we have to do at the end of the day. Yeah. So we are going to lay some tiles still. Yeah, so tile and everything.
It's good, not true? Because through your side.
We are putting some there today. Who is here? Thailand good enough. Say Thailand, sit down and think of that.
35.
Then that means that I'm drop tight. So alright my people, yeah. The seat and then the porch done. Yeah, we have a little cleaning up. So we're gonna draw some growth on it. Yeah. So as I say what happened. Yeah, see what we do with this and so the whole tile them did the same way, so you know just join to it. Yeah. Apart the plastic off. Yeah, so the whole tile them. So this is how we do with the whole tile and the new one. So as you can see it. Yeah, so we cut it down the line.
Just this one.
Yeah.
How much is in there?
When I love them.
What are supposed to touch on this one?
But this can grow up.
That's why I'm cleaning up it.
You want tape. You want tape the wall foot. Yeah, so as we say my people, we have to some cleaning up.
No, man, when I say you can just take a girl up, that's a tape, because she's supposed to have tape. But I'm going to go say, man.
Make sure, no. You have to put your jump up. No.
Yeah, so this is the way it look like.
Hey. So we know how to do it. I'm moving stuff. So we can get one tape if
I got to do some growth in, when I go say, I got to do growth, one tape, the tape off, and it, okay, you are.
Yeah, man, check it out. You want white tape?
Any one of them,
One
right?
second tape.
And you go tape.
Huh?
You go tape.
Any girl now up there?
Check it out.
Me hate doggy when I talk about them, this man.
Your man, say man.
I wish one of them I use. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yo, let's check your girl anything you want.
Anything you want. I use it.
Yeah,
I know that
I work quite not that about.
Okay.
Oh, you have two different kind of work.
Yeah, I don't know why, you know.
That's a different, nice girl, you know.
Yeah, me see it, man. When I first day,
Yeah,
me
some
come
place
in.
look good and nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
No,
man,
you
so.
don't have to worry about me, you know. No, me not worry. You don't worry about me, you know. If you say anything, you know.
As Mr. Some
Where's the
protein.
tree there? Yeah, man. Him no worry about.
We have to worry about the doggy, you know, nice, you know.
Why you that, man? Why you that? I'm the virgin, but my idiot.
Full of flair, you know.
Yes, man. But as soon as he knows how to.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but you see them tree.
Coming out the sun.
You see them tree, yeah? You see when they catch all when the water to up and you see that place. Watch them.
So you're dropping in two pieces.
That's son, let me tell you, no matter how quick and how good you want it, you can approach it, but I need no time, but after that, you get old like a...
On a long distance runner.
Yes, I have 50 meters runner.
Full of tar. Boy.
Alright my people, so as I say we have some growth in on the floor now. Yeah. So, see me? So this is how we do the wall. You know, so them wall and mama run. So you can't make no growth really getting at the mama run, so we have to tape it round. Yeah. So this is how we do it. Tape it right round. Send it down and get a nice decent finish. Yeah. Once you go and do the taping. But I'm gonna say we help and running the people. Try to get this thing over and done with. Yeah. Make the porch nice and sweet again.